Okay Clash, today for lunch, we are going to take our lunches into the library. I want everyone to find a book or magazine, find a quiet place to eat, and eat your lunch.
Man, that sounds like one of the most boring lunches I have ever heard of.
Ned Flemkin. You especially better find a quiet place away from everyone else so you do not bother them while they try to read. I want you to behave yourself.
Okay, Mrs. Bun. Don't get your blue hair in a scare. I'll be cool.
You just better behave, Ned Flemkin. I will personally show you where you will sit in the library. And I don't have blue hair. Okay, anyway Clash, grab your lunches and everyone let's go. Okay Clash, everyone find a book, and a place to sit and read and eat your lunch. And Ned Flemkin, you come with me. Here Ned Flemkin. I have a special book for you. It's called How to Behave in School, Read it and learn something.
Okay. You got it, Mrs. Bun. I'll be cool. Let's see what we have to eat here. Peanut butter and jelly, chips, a banana, and yogurt. Yogurt? Who the fuck eats yogurt? Shit. This is boring. This book sucks, and I am bored out of my mind. Let's see what I can do for some fun. Whoa, have I got an idea of what I can do with that yogurt? Now have a little fun with the yogurt. Oh my god! A bird got into the library and is shitting all over.
Oh my god. Bird shit. Bird shit.
Ned Flemkin. Stop this shit right now, you damn fucking muppet! I see you dropping yogurt and everyone. You are in serious trouble. I am calling your parents to come and get you.
5 minutes later.
Ned Flemkin, I had to leave work to come pick you up. You are in serious trouble and grounded until the Cleveland Browns win the Super Bowl.